Hello, welcome to Someka channel. Today we are here with a new personal finance tool, Weekly Budget Template. This simple yet powerful tool has two main sections, expenses and a dashboard. We will start with basic settings. First, you should enter your expense categories here, and then you should update your income categories. You can add any new one. Now we will go to expense sheet to record our data. This is your data input area. It has a very simple view actually. Main expense categories and subtitles, and also the weeks of the year. You will just input your data in the white cells. You can add new categories from the dashboard. You can also update the existing ones. For example, under the children main category, we can add a new one. Finally, to see the all weeks of the year, just click on the plus sign on the top. Now let's check our dashboard. Firstly, you should use the drop-down menu to select the week that you want to analyze. The blue area here just shows you the general summary of your income and expense balance, total income, total expense, and total savings. There are also two charts to analyze your budget. First one shows you biggest expense categories, and the second donut chart is for you to analyze subtitles for each category. Again, use the drop down to switch between main expense categories. Lastly, if you need a printout, just click Ctrl P. Your dashboard is totally print ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net.